Hi, my name is Tessa and I'm the production coordinator here at Dromasin. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to use our skin tear with mobile skin. This wound is a great interactive tool for practicing replacing skin after a tear. When you receive your skin tear, it'll look like this. The wound has a very thin top layer of skin that can be moved into place as if treating a large skin tear with loose skin. Prior to use, gently peel back the skin flap. To mobilize your skin tear, you'll need water-based personal lubricant or petroleum jelly. Next, rub your lubricant into the open wound, then replace the skin flap. You can now set the skin flap into a pushed back position. Once you're ready, you can begin moving the skin back into place using correct dressing techniques. After use, gently clean with soapy water and dry. This wound is designed for reuse and will cope with multiple uses as long as it's treated gently. Thank you for watching. If you'd like more information or to book an online demonstration, please visit our website.